laundry. Laundry's done too. Looking great. Wow. Oh my gosh. Try not to get in the video. Looking so good. There's a sliding door on here now, so that it doesn't open into the bathroom and take up all the room. And how good is that? That's great. And this is a DIY shower screen that swivels out of the way. Good for when the kids are in the tub. And as always, shower on a rail, which I cannot ever live without. And the swivel bath spout. It's all looking fantastic. Easy access to this flick mixer from outside the bath so you don't get wet. That's one of the design points that we went through. And the sliding door, of course, was a great idea, because now there's no doors entering or opening into a very, very small room. Very happy.